You won't feel it and you won't see it. And your doctor probably won't even mention it. But it is quietly aging you right now from the inside out. It's called glycation, and if you care about your brain, your heart, your skin, and your long-term energy, this is something that you need to understand. I'm Dr. Joanette. I'm an ER doctor for over 30 years. I'm also a Blue Zone native and the founder of Optimum Health, MD, where we help people move from normal to optimal so that they can live longer, stronger, and sharper lives. I've talked a lot about glucose exposure and its effects on your body. Today, we are going deeper into one of the most important and most damaging processes behind it all, glycation. In this video, you are going to learn what glycation is, why it matters, and the 6 things that you can do today to stop it. So let's get started with what is glycation, and I'm going to keep it simple. Glycation is a chemical reaction that happens when sugar, specifically glucose, binds to proteins in our body. There are no enzymes, no fancy pathways, just sugar sticking to our proteins, like glue or Velcro. Once that sugar attaches, it forms what we call AGEs, advanced glycation end products. And the name is appropriate because these compounds literally make you age faster. They stiffen our tissues, they damage our blood vessels, and they cloud our brain. They also fog up our mitochondria, those little powerhouse plants in all of our cells. And they silently drive inflammation and disease long before anything shows up on a scan. You don't need to be a diabetic. You don't even need to have high blood sugar because glycation is happening all the time. The question is, how fast? Let me tell you what I've seen in the last 30 years working in the ER. I've seen 48-year-olds with early heart disease and 70-year-olds with clear arteries. I've seen people lose their sharpness in their 50s, but others are still running their businesses well into their 90s. So what's the difference? I could name a dozen factors, but one of the most important things is glycation load over time. Let me share a real story. I had a 52-year-old man who came into the ER with chest pain. He had no family history. He wasn't overweight. And when we looked deeper though, he had early kidney damage. He had stiff arteries and a mild neuropathy in his feet. His hemoglobin A1C was 5.9. He wasn't a diabetic, but he had been running slightly elevated glucoses probably now for well over a decade. He lived off of sports drinks. He ate dinner late every night, and he thought that healthy carbs meant fruit juice like orange juice and granola bars. Now, he wasn't sick, but he was just aging faster than he realized from the inside out. That is what glycation does. It doesn't wait for a diagnosis, but it accumulates silently. And then one day, your body starts to feel it. If this is the first time that you're hearing about glycation or realizing how much it might be affecting your body, then hit that like button. And please tell me in the comments below, what is one daily habit that you think might be quietly aging you faster than you actually realize? We talk a lot about our big health goals, and however, it's often those small, invisible things that really do matter the most. Let's look at some research. There was a study that was published in The Lancet. It was titled Diabetes in Endocrinology, and it showed that even people with A1Cs in the high normal range had higher levels of AGEs and greater cardiovascular risk. There was another study from the Journal of Gerontology that linked high AGE levels reduced cognitive performance, especially in older adults. So this is why we say normal isn't good enough. We want optimal. Here's where glycation hits the hardest. It hits our brain. Glycated proteins reduce the flexibility of our nerves. The result is impaired learning, memory, and also an increased neurodegeneration. It hits our hearts and our vessels. Glycation stiffens our arteries and increases the plaque formation, raising our risk of heart attacks and stroke. In our eyes, AGEs damage the tiny vessels in our retina, leading to vision loss over time. Glycation in our nerves contributes to neuropathy, tingling, numbness, and that burning pain that you can experience in your hands and your feet. In our muscles, muscles and our joints, it affects our collagen. It makes our tissues stiff and our joints achy. And glycation in our skin, it binds to the collagen and the elastin, sticking it together to form those wrinkles and saggy skin. The question you are likely thinking is, yikes, what can I do about it? So here's the good news. You can slow and even reverse glycation with a few high leverage changes. Number one, lower your post-meal glucose. This is the number one driver of glycation. Avoid spikes by focusing on a protein and fiber first meal and by cutting out the liquid sugar. Liquid sugar is absorbed fast and that will accelerate glycation. Number two, move or walk after your meals. Just 10 to 15 minutes of light movement lowers your glucose curve and improves your insulin sensitivity. It is one of the easiest tools in the world to reduce glycation. Number three, build and protect your muscle. Muscle tissue acts like a sponge for glucose. The more muscle we have, the better our glucose control, and the result is less glycation. Number four, prioritize your sleep. Poor sleep raises your cortisol levels and also your blood sugar. That accelerates all of that whole glycation process. Number five, avoid ultra-processed carbs. Those carb bombs, the white bread, the cereal, the granola bars, your sweetened coffee drinks will spike your sugar, which also speeds glycation. And number six, consider low glycation cooking. Cooking methods like boiling, steaming, or using acidic marinades like lemon and vinegar will all reduce the AGE content in our food compared to things like grilling or frying at high temperatures. Small shifts done consistently will slow the biological aging process, not just for our skin, but also for our organs, our brain, and our energy. Glycation won't show up in your bloodstream. It won't trigger a red flag on your annual checkup, but it will show up in your brain, your heart, your skin, and your energy if you ignore it. At Optimum Health MD, we believe that your future health is built on those tiny daily choices that you make right now. And glycation is one of the most powerful and most preventable aging drivers there is out there. I'm Dr. Joanette, and now that you know what glycation is, why it matters, and what you can start doing about it today to fight back, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe and share this episode if you learned something new. And remember, aging is inevitable, but how fast you age truly is up to you.